Okay, so Julie, we're gonna do spiral roundabout today, and we're gonna do double roundabouts today in Bletchley area. They're very complicated roundabouts, and obviously you done last lesson there as well, and I have already taught you how to do them. Today I'm gonna ask you to do yourself, and wherever you need any help, I will help you.
Okay.
Right? So drive on when you're ready, please. Down the road, there are two roundabouts here, so double roundabouts.
Yes.
From the first roundabout, we're going to turn left. Second roundabout, turn right. Second exit. First roundabout left. Second roundabout right. Okay. So it's not an easy roundabout. So you have to do it properly, please. Okay. You already done that last week. Yeah? It's okay. It's fine. No need to be sorry. You're not doing something wrong at that time, but you made serious mistake after that.
Okay.
Anyways, so continue on the overtaking lane, please now. Nothing wrong with it. See, there was a car on the left side. Keep yourself on the overtaking lane. Keep yourself on the overtaking lane. Speed up now. Yeah, speed up. Well done. Speed up, Julie. Yeah, speed up. Change gear. Yeah, keep going. Okay, now check your mirrors. Keep going. Give your indicator. That's it. Okay, keep checking. There's a car behind. It's the same. Yeah. You can change the lane now. That's it. Okay, so Julie, see that? This is what happens during the exam as well. I have told you, if you ever go in a different lane or wrong lane or even whatever lane it is, sometimes that lane is accurate lane, not wrong lane. Yes, that lane was not the wrong lane. If you ever go in a roundabout, near to the roundabout, you change the lane and go to the right, left or middle, whatever, stay in that lane. Do not change. No chance if you're going to change, and you will pass the test. Look, you went to the right lane. I said to you at the roundabout turn left, second roundabout turn right, and you thought the right is always from the right. Yes, this is what we normally do that. Yes. But look, sometimes right is from the middle lane as well. That's why I said to you, this roundabout, these two roundabouts, they are really hard. They are not easy. Okay. So I said to you, if they are hard, okay, and what I told you in the beginning anyway, that you should stay on the right if you're already gone to the right. You should stay in the middle if you're already gone to the middle, and if you should stay left if you're already gone to the left. In this case, what happened is, first roundabout, you turn left, no problem whatsoever. Second roundabout, back in your mind, it was that you're going to do second roundabout right. Yeah. That's why you went to the right lane. That right lane was perfectly fine when you said to me, oh, sorry. Yeah, that was perfectly fine. You don't need to be sorry for that. Okay? You chose the right lane and stay in the right lane then. Yeah? And use overtaking. Yeah? Even after the roundabout, use overtaking and speed up. Go up to 50, 55 and then check your mirrors and come back. No problem. All in sudden, what you did there, you tried to change, you tried to go from right to the left lane, and there was a car behind. That's why you stay there. Understand? So next time, first of all, near to the roundabouts, if there are arrows, yes, look, see, what arrow says to you to do, then you do that. Okay. For example, if you're going straight, yeah, okay, and there are 2-3 lanes available, yes, stay most left lane. Okay. If you are going left, if there are 2-3 lanes available, okay, always stay on the left. And same as if you are going right and there are 2-3 lanes are available to go right, yes, always use the left lane. But if you can't do that, if you go in the middle or if you go to the right, yes, whichever lane you go, just continue in that lane. You will never go wrong. Understand? Okay, so this is what we're going to do again. We're going to go back there again and do it again. Okay, and I will help you a little bit up there. Okay. So reverse back and go in that direction, please. Yes, you still have a bit of issue with your speed, picking up the speed, no problems. We are improving on that as well, okay? So our task is not to do like a high speed today. We are
Yes.
dealing the double roundabouts, spiral roundabouts, complicated one, yes?
Yes.
At the roundabout turn left, second roundabout turn right, okay? So keep yourself on the left because there are two lanes, see, going left. One is going right, two going left. So you stay most on the left,
Yes.
yeah? So this is the first roundabout we're doing now. Okay, so Julie, we already done the first roundabout. Do not go to the right lane straight away. See what is on the floor. Look at the arrows. Yeah?
Yes.
Can you go right from the middle?
Yes.
Yes, because middle lane is going straight and right as well.
Yes.
You're gonna use outer circle, middle lane. Yes? Keep checking there. See that white line in the middle? Go
Yes.
the other side of the road. Basically left side of that, yeah? This is called outer circle. There are two circles. Yeah, two tracks. Inner and outer track. Like that. See? You ended up on the left lane, which is a safe lane, standard one, yes?
Yes.
That's it, that's overtaking lane. If you ever end up that lane, you have to speed up, check mirrors and come back.
Okay.
Okay, again, we are going to do the same double roundabout. Okay, so from the first roundabout, turn left, second roundabout, turn right, which is second exit from the second roundabout. Okay, would you do yourself or shall I help you? You do yourself?
Myself, yes.
Okay.